Today, I'd like to give you a little insight of what I do for a living. This is a day as an IT support specialist. Coming up. Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to IT Career Skills, where we give you advice and insight on how to grow your career in the IT field. My name's Dakota, and today I want to give you guys a little sneak peek on what I do for a living. So right off the bat, let's cover a little disclaimer. Job titles in the IT industry are some of the most fluid job titles out there. I work in the hospitality industry, and my job roles might differ for some of you out there. The purpose of this video is just simply to give you guys a little bit of insight on what I do on a day-to-day basis. So with that out of the way, diving right into one of my main primary job responsibilities is answering support tickets and emails. I really enjoy troubleshooting, and I'm very much a people person, so this part of my job comes quite easy to me. I love the feeling I get when someone comes to me with a problem, something's not working properly, or they don't know how to do something, and I can take them through the steps and either show them how to fix the problem or show them how to perform a task. And to me, that is one of my favorite things to do, besides network and system administration. Now I know what you're thinking, wait a minute. This guy just said he was answering support tickets. Sounded like he was working at a help desk. Now he's trying to say he's a sysadmin and a network admin? Well, yes, actually. So we are a very small IT department, and we have to really be a jack of all trades. So when I said in the beginning that my job functions may differ from someone else, doesn't really mean that my company, mislabeled me. Just means that the IT industry has some of the most fluid job titles. So when you're applying for a new job, it's really important not to just list what your job title was. Oh, I was a help desk technician. Oh, I was a tier 2 help desk technician. Oh, I was a sysadmin. No, really dive deep and list some of your daily job responsibilities and some of your most important job responsibilities. Again, a whole nother video. So another one of my responsibilities is MDM, or mobile device management. Mobile device management is a type of security software that an IT department uses to monitor, manage, and secure employees' mobile devices. Also with this, we deploy various applications and keep them updated via this platform. So beyond answering support tickets, making sure the network's running, passwords are reset, mobile devices are up to date, another one of my responsibilities is printer maintenance and deployment. So any of you out there studying for your A+ or just past your A+, know that printers play a big role in the IT department. Printers constantly need maintenance. Printers constantly have issues. Print drivers need to be updated, etc. There's always something going on with printers. But you know what? Again, I really enjoy troubleshooting, so it doesn't really bother me. So my other responsibilities is software imaging, desktop deployment, maintaining the camera systems at all the properties, and some other ones right along here. So I know this video is quick, but I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight on what I do as an IT support specialist on a daily basis. So I'd like to hear from you guys. If you're already in the IT field, what is your favorite part about your job? And if you're looking to enter the field, what brings you to the field? What draws you in? Make sure and leave that in the comments below. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure and like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. We have so many videos coming out, I can't wait to show them all to you. Until next time, thank you for tuning in.